everyone, thank you for watching. My name is Angel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out Kkw Beauty tips on how to cover dark circles, dark spots. I saw the video a few days ago and I was like, finally a Kim Kardashian video that I can follow along. So I would not be playing the video in my video, but I remember the steps and everything, so I'm just going to be testing them out. So yeah, so I already went ahead to draw my eyebrows and prime my eyelids, and then I remembered that I was supposed to do an intro for this video. Yeah, because I haven't tested the tip out and we're going to be doing it together. And also I thought it would only be right if I try to recreate the eye look she had in that video. Now she did not do a tutorial on that eye look, so I'm not going to be doing a tutorial on that eye look here. I'm just going to be doing that off camera and then going straight into the makeup tips. So now if you want to see how this will turn out, then keep on watching. Alright, so finally I've been able to complete the eye look and I kind of underestimated it. I felt like I'll be done in 5 minutes, but these eyeliners did not make it easy for me. But yeah, so we're going to start with the tips. Now first of all, she corrected her under eyes with concealer. She used an orange concealer as a corrector, and let me tell you that I have none of the products that she used in the video. I'm just going to follow through with these steps because I feel like the steps are, technique is more important than product, because most of the times not everybody has the money to afford expensive makeup like that. So yeah, I'm going to be using all drugstore products in this look. So I'm going to start by correcting my under eyes as she did in the video and the sides of her mouth. Now I have spots like in some other places in my face, so I'm just going to correct anywhere that's dark on my face. I noticed that she used quite a lot of corrector. After applying it, she went in with a damp sponge to blend out. Now I noticed that she didn't use foundation in her video, so I'm wondering like if I will be able to do that too, because my skin is like not that flawless. Honestly, apart from the darkness like under her eyes, she does have flawless skin. So finally I've been able to blend it. I added more corrector here because I really need corrector here. So now we're going to go into step 2, which is concealer under my eye. So I'll be using this concealer from Zaron because it's very creamy and it's easy to blend, like what she was saying in the video. Okay, so she was talking about her concealers and they are coming in new sizes, so you get more products. I don't know if she changed the prices, but she was saying that she really loves creamy concealers that'll be easy to blend because nobody has time for blending, and honestly she told no lies. So I'm just going to go in and blend this concealer. So she added it right here under eyes and here. I'm going to add a bit, just a bit on my forehead. I can't remember if she did, and the bridge of my nose. And as you can tell, I have very shaky hands. So she actually used a different beauty blender to blend out her corrector and concealer, but I have just one, so I'm going to use that one. And I really like this concealer because it's very creamy too, just like she was saying. She wasn't talking about this concealer, but I am talking about this concealer. It's from Zaron. It's a Nigerian brand, very affordable, so yeah. And because of the creaminess of the concealer, you can see that the corrector kind of disappears under the concealer. So now we're going to be going into step 3, which is baking. Now I'm going to be baking with this powder. It has like a warm undertone, it's still lighter than my skin. So, and she doesn't go with the light layer first and then full-on concealer. She just like bakes, she just goes in, and so I'm going to go in with my powder. So while that is baking, I'm going to go ahead and finish my face routine off camera and come back. So I've done my face routine off camera, my lips, I've done everything just like she did in the video. So I'm going to dust away this powder and hopefully it does not leave any streaks. Well, it didn't, and it actually brightened my under eye. Like, my under eye is very bright, brighter than it would normally be. Well, my face came out looking very powdery, and I'm not even done with powder. Then she goes in with a brightening powder under her eyes, and she bakes like right here. So I'm going to try to do that. To bake, I'm going to be using a translucent powder, my Sachacosmetics powder, and I'll also be using it as the brightening powder. So I'm going to use this powder and a small brush and just brighten anywhere I know I have darkness, which is basically nowhere, because just the third step has already like brightened everything for me. So I'm just going to put it in the inner corners of my eyes right here, you know, for that extra brightness, to make it look like a gradient effect. And I had to bake under my chin off camera because my film was turning blue as a result of the translucent powder. I don't know why that happens. This is how much I'm going to bake my face. I feel like I need more blush because I'm just a lover of blush, so I'm going to add more blush. Now I feel like me. So the baking is enough under my chin, so I'm just going to dust it off because I don't want that looking too crazy. So now I'm going to use setting spray because my face looks very powdery. This is the look all completed, and honestly I have to say that I would definitely give her a thumbs up for this tip. I mean, it's nothing very revolutionary, but it definitely works. Like, I didn't use foundation on my face, and it just helps save products. It helps minimize the amount of product on your skin. There's a lot of powder involved in the process, but I feel it's personal preference. You can go lighter or you can go like very heavy-handed with your powder during baking. It just depends on what you like, and this definitely will have to be like my daily makeup routine from now on, because I don't have to use foundation. So yeah, this is the makeup look. This is how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below if you will try it out. If you haven't watched the video, then I would recommend you watch it. I mean, probably everybody has even watched the video, but if you have, I'll have the video link in my description box so you can go and watch the video. So yeah, this is how the makeup look turned out. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share to your friends, to your frenemies, to your family, to everybody that you know, and I'll see you in my next video.